Hey, what's up everyone? It's Emily. Welcome back to the channel where we explore incredible opportunities to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. And today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of print on demand, also known as POD. Now, if you're anything like me, you love the idea of being your own boss and having a business that practically runs itself. Well, POD might just be the perfect fit for you. We're talking about a business model that combines creativity, low startup costs, and the potential for some seriously passive income. So whether you're an artist, a designer, or just someone with a knack for spotting awesome ideas, this video is your ultimate guide to launching a successful print-on-demand business. We'll break down the entire process step by step, so you can start seeing those sales roll in. All right, let's kick things off with the first crucial step in your print-on-demand journey, finding your niche. Now you might be thinking, niche? What niche? I just want to sell awesome stuff. But trust me, identifying a specific niche is going to be the secret sauce that sets you apart from the competition and attracts a loyal customer base. By focusing on a particular audience or interest group, you can tailor your designs and products to their specific needs and desires. This not only makes your marketing way more effective, but it also helps you build a strong brand identity that resonates with your target market. So, how do you actually go about finding your niche? Well, it's all about tapping into your passions, interests, and maybe even some good old-fashioned market research. What are you genuinely excited about? What hobbies or communities do you belong to? Are there any underserved markets out there that you could cater to? For example, let's say you're a total fitness junkie. You could create designs specifically for gym enthusiasts, yoga lovers, or even CrossFit fanatics. Or maybe you're obsessed with a particular TV show, book series, or video game. Why not design merchandise that caters to that fandom? The key is to choose something that you're passionate about and that has the potential for a decent-sized audience. So, take some time to brainstorm, do your research, and don't be afraid to get creative with it. Your perfect niche is out there waiting for you. Now that you've got your niche locked down, it's time to talk about the backbone of your print-on-demand business, choosing the right platform. These platforms handle everything from printing your designs to shipping them directly to your customers. You can focus on creating awesome designs and marketing your brand. We'll break down popular platforms like Printful, Printify, and Teespring, highlighting their key features, pricing, and integrations. Choosing the right platform is crucial for your business's success. Okay, now we're getting to the really fun part. Designing your print-on-demand products. This is where your creativity can truly shine and where you get to bring your unique ideas to life. But even if you don't have years of graphic design experience, don't sweat it. There are tons of resources and tools available to help you create eye-catching designs that will have your customers clicking that Add to Cart button. First things first, let's talk design software. You don't need to break the bank on expensive industry-standard programs right off the bat. There are plenty of affordable and even free options that are perfect for beginners. Canva, for example, is an incredibly user-friendly platform with a drag-and-drop interface, tons of templates, and a massive library of stock photos, graphics, and fonts. It's a fantastic resource for creating everything from social media graphics to, you guessed it, print-on-demand designs. If you're looking for something a little more robust with more advanced features, Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are industry-leading choices. They do come with a monthly subscription fee, but they offer unparalleled flexibility and professional-grade tools for creating stunning designs. Now, if you're not feeling super confident in your design skills, or maybe you're short on time, there's absolutely no shame in outsourcing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are teaming with talented freelance designers who can bring your vision to life at a variety of price points. Just be sure to communicate your ideas clearly, provide detailed briefs, and check portfolios to ensure their style aligns with your brand aesthetic. When it comes to creating winning designs, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First and foremost, originality is key. Try to come up with fresh, unique designs that stand out from the crowd. Remember, designing for print-on-demand is all about finding that sweet spot between creativity, originality, and market demand. All right, We've got our niche, our platform, and our killer designs. Now it's time to build the virtual storefront where all the magic happens. Your online store. But don't worry, setting up an online store is easier than you might think, thanks to the abundance of user-friendly e-commerce platforms available. Let's explore some of the top contenders that seamlessly integrate with your chosen print-on-demand service. First up, we have the reigning champion of e-commerce, Shopify. Shopify is like the Rolls-Royce of online store builders. It's powerful, feature-rich, and comes with everything you need to launch and scale your business. From customizable themes and mobile optimization to abandoned cart recovery and built-in marketing tools, Shopify has got you covered. Plus, their app store is bursting with integrations for everything from email marketing to social media management, making it a breeze to streamline your entire operation. But hey, maybe you're just starting out and want a more budget-friendly option. No problem. That's where Etsy comes in. Etsy is like the quirky, handmade haven of the internet, making it the perfect platform for selling unique, creative goods, like your awesome print-on-demand products. Etsy boasts a massive built-in audience of shoppers actively searching for one-of-a-kind items, and their seller fees are relatively low compared to other platforms. Now, if you're more of a DIY enthusiast and want complete control over your online store's design and functionality, WooCommerce might be your perfect match. WooCommerce is a powerful open-source e-commerce plugin for WordPress, giving you the freedom to customize every aspect of your store. No matter which platform you choose, there are a few key elements that every successful online store needs. First impressions matter, so invest time in creating a visually appealing and user-friendly website that accurately reflects your brand identity. All right, we've got our niche, our designs are fire, our online store is looking sharp. Now, how do we get those sales rolling in? That's right, it's time to talk marketing. Because even the most amazing products won't sell themselves. You need a solid marketing strategy to get your brand out there, attract your target audience, and turn those casual scrollers into loyal customers. But don't worry, you don't need a massive marketing budget to make some serious noise. Let's dive into some effective and affordable marketing tactics that will have your print-on-demand business booming. First up, let's talk about the marketing powerhouse that is social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok are goldmines for reaching your target audience and building a community around your brand. The key is to create engaging content that resonates with your niche, showcases your products in creative ways, and encourages interaction. Think eye-catching product photos, behind-the-scenes peeks at your design process, fun reels or TikToks showcasing your products in action, and even user-generated content from happy customers. Don't underestimate the power of social proof. People love to see what others are buying and loving. Speaking of social proof, influencer marketing can be a game changer for print-on-demand businesses. Partnering with influencers in your niche, think YouTubers, bloggers, or Instagram personalities, can expose your brand to a whole new audience and give you instant credibility. You don't need to break the bank on big-name influencers either. Micro-influencers with smaller, more engaged followings can be incredibly effective and often have more affordable rates. Now let's talk about the marketing channel that keeps on giving: search engine optimization, or SEO. By optimizing your online store and product listings for relevant keywords, you can attract organic traffic from Google and other search engines. This means potential customers are finding you organically when searching for products like yours. Talk about a dream come true. SEO is a long-game strategy, but it's well worth the effort. Remember, marketing your print-on-demand business is an ongoing process. It's all about testing, analyzing, and adapting your strategies based on what works best for your target audience. All right, you've nailed down your niche. Your designs are top-notch. Your online store is a conversion machine, and your marketing game is on fire. But there's one crucial element that can make or break your print-on-demand business: customer service. Because even with the best products and marketing in the world, if you're not providing exceptional customer service, those one-time buyers aren't going to turn into loyal, raving fans. So, let's dive into how to provide top-notch customer service that will have your customers singing your praises from the rooftops. First and foremost, responsiveness is key. In today's fast-paced world, Customers expect quick and efficient responses to their inquiries. Aim to respond to all customer emails and messages within 24 hours, if not sooner. This shows that you value their time and are dedicated to providing excellent service. And when responding to customer inquiries, always be polite, professional, and helpful, even if you're dealing with a particularly challenging situation. Remember, a little empathy goes a long way. Speaking of challenging situations, it's inevitable that you'll encounter some bumps in the road when running a print-on-demand business. Shipping delays, lost packages, or even the occasional misprinted item can happen. The key is to have clear and concise policies in place for handling these situations and to communicate them effectively to your customers. Offer solutions such as replacements or refunds and always go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. And there you have it. Everything you need to know to launch and grow your very own print-on-demand empire. Remember, the beauty of this business model is that it's incredibly accessible, requires minimal upfront investment, and offers the potential for passive income and unlimited scalability. So, what are you waiting for? Take that leap of faith, unleash your inner entrepreneur, and start creating the business of your dreams. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome business tips and strategies, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now, I want to hear from you. What type of print-on-demand business are you most excited to start? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always down to brainstorm ideas and cheer you on in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.